Hey, Shopify store owners! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to export both smart collections and custom collections from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Before we get into the steps, here's a quick rundown of the two types of collections you'll find in Shopify. Smart collections, these are automated. You set conditions like products under $50 or winter collection, and Shopify updates them for you. Custom collections, here, you're in control. You manually pick which products go in, perfect for seasonal promos or curated collections. With StoreRobo, you can easily filter what you want to export, select specific columns, and organize your data however you like, whether it's for custom collections or smart collections. Alright, let's get into it. Open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and go to the Export section. Select the Shopify CSV format and click Proceed. In the next step, select either Smart Collections, Custom Collections, or both, whatever works for you. After that, down here, you can select specific columns to include in the export, such as basic columns such as ID, handle, title, linked product data, SEO data, and more. Use filters to narrow things down. For example, export only collections created in the last month or those with more than 100 products. And the best part is you can sort both collections simultaneously. Here's one small difference. With smart collections, you have a few extra fields that show the rules or conditions used to build them. That's really the only thing you need to keep in mind. Let's say you want to export all smart collections created in the last 30 days, and export custom collections with more than 100 products. StoreRobo lets you do both at the same time, no sweat. After selecting the data per requirements, you have the export methods. If you need to export your collections to an FTP server, you can enable the FTP option and set up your server details. You can also customize the CSV format by selecting the delimiter or separator. The default is a comma, but you can change it if needed. And finally, don't forget that you can save your configuration as a preset for future exports. This means that the next time you want to export the same type of data, you won't have to go through all the setup steps again. Once everything looks good, click on Export. When the export status shows completed, you can download the file or access it on your FTP server. And that's it. Now you know how to export both smart collections and custom collections from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.